Hey guys, I want to talk with you about my Milano hat fall wig. I have gotten a lot of comments on this that people are terrified that their hat will be knocked off or blow off in the wind or something, and then your hat wig will be exposed. Now let me show this to you. This is the hat wig. It comes without hair right here, so you don't have the extra bulk under your hat. You don't have the extra heat that having a full wig can create in addition to another layer of a hat. Here's the deal, you guys. This thing is so incredibly secure. If you wanted to, you could adhere it with a product like It Stays or other adhesive in the front so that it could not come off. Once you put a hat on, and if you have it appropriately tightened, this is not flying off. There is not a wind gust that would take this hat. Because you've got that extra layer, it's even hard for me to get it off without pulling it forward, and I have it really tight. So don't worry, your hat will not fly off, I promise.